So, dear students, let's learn about cybercrime and security. The internet in India is growing rapidly. It has given a risk to new opportunities in every field. So, we can think be it entertainment, business, sports, or education. In the same way, there are two sides to a coin, as internet also has its own disadvantages is cybercrime like illegal activity committed on the internet. So we can define as any illegal activity which is done through the internet, it terms as cyber crime. It is divided into different categories as we have discussed. So we can define as a cyber crime which is a crime committed using a computer and the internet to steal data or information. It is also illegal imports, malicious programs that can be entered in your computer or your system for damaging your files. So we can say cybercrime is nothing but where the computer used as an object or subject of crime. So main thing is that ki computer and it has been online activity. Next thing is that we can introduce a term as hacking is a simple terms mean an illegal intrusion into a computer system and or network. The person or we can say hackers. Next one is virus dissemination. Malicious software that attaches itself to other software, like these viruses are attaching by their own, like virus, worms, Trojan horses, webjacking, email bombing, etc. are categories. Computer vandalism, a process of damaging or destroying the data rather than stealing. Transmitting the viruses, this is also for the purpose of damaging the data of others. It comes in the category of cyber vandalism. Now, software piracy. It is a type of theft of software through the illegal copying of genuine programs, distribution of products intended to pass for the original. That means if we are copying someone's software and making its own copy, that is known as software piracy. Now there are some safety tips for cyber crimes, like use antivirus softwares, insert or we have to enable firewall in our system which is already enabled. If not, so you can check it. Uninstall the unnecessary software, maintain regular backup, check security settings. Then we have to choose a genderless screen name. Never give your full name or address to stranger. Learn more about internet privacy, that how we can secure our data or computer. Now term security, that means how can we secure our computer. It can be like internet security is a branch of the computer security specifically related to the internet. Because we are not aware from these terms, its objective to establish rules and measure to use against attack over the internet. Cyber security is our shared responsibility, safeguard your data.